in Bangladesh. It'll be louder in Bangladesh than in Sri Lanka, I'll tell you that. Mujib got it in the gap. It'll be two.
Yes, look at that. A very fine innings from Martin Mendes, 25.
But the batters have stood up. The chase will give them a lot of confidence going forward, the Sri Lankan team. So it has been perfect, and without Pathum Nissanka, mind you.
Yes, absolutely. I think qualifying with a win like this, because there was really a challenge, because when you look down the names for Afghanistan's bowling, most of them play in leagues all over the world. And despite that, Farooqi has been taken for 38 of his 3. Then you have Mujib, who's also been expensive, more than 10 runs and over. Noor, again, 37 of 3, so 12 runs and over. So these experienced bowlers have been the ones who, you could say, didn't bowl as well as Afghanistan expected.
More runs again. It could be 4 of them. Yes, it is. Just 3 runs required.
Afghanistan.
Have a look at this delivery again from Mujib. This has been Afghanistan's problem. Lots of width given outside the off stump. Look at that. Width, short. And Mendes is the very good picker of the gaps. He didn't need an invitation. Slicing the ball in such a way that it will turn away, curve away from that fielder at deep point.
The party started. It started. In Atar Ali Khan's room, Sri Lanka, they got the 171 required. They go through to the Super Fours unbeaten. And Bangladesh, they qualify as well. Spare a thought for Afghanistan. They fought hard in this game, but not to be.
Well, the 2 big games that they had to really put their hands up. Both the games, they did not do themselves justice. They didn't have a big target to chase against Bangladesh. They faltered over there. And now here they said Sri Lanka, a challenging target. But look at the way they have bowled. He has Jonathan.